Hi guys, welcome back to our new vlog and the new video. Today I'm back at my favorite Mississauga strip, Britannia. So today we will be trying Karachi Kababwala. We have heard a lot of good things about them, like their Gola kebab is like right on the top of the list, and really good reviews about their kebabs. So we're gonna be trying out their kebabs, some other dishes also, and with their puri paratha. So now we're gonna head in and then we're gonna try some Karachi Kababwala. The name itself is kind of tempting. Like if they serve anything closer to that, that would be really awesome. So let's go and try. Hi guys, तो घर आ गए हम लोग. खाना हमने निकाल लिया है, सेटअप कर लिया है. So हमारा गोला कबाब roll and Bihari kebab roll. That's the most of the thing which I missed from back home are the paratha rolls, and I'm so excited to try them today. Like the Bihari roll and look at this legit like chicken tikka. So, oops, I made like the boo-boo again. Let me just pull this back and let me show you this, like literally the chicken tikka breast, like legit, like, and then the masala and everything sounds so legit, like a tikka, which will take you back home, and onions with it, and obviously to go with this is the puri paratha, classic. Let's start with the paratha, and we're gonna make a nice bite. The paratha is very nice, very soft, or ekdam chewy nahi ho raha, stretchy nahi ho raha. So it's like you can see, it's very thin, but it's very good texture. Let me just take the bite. As you can see, we took a chicken. I'm gonna take a dip. Oh my god, so good. The tikka flavor, like you can feel the burn on the top, and the chicken and inside is so moist. It's cooked properly, बिल्कुल गल चुका है, मसाले बहुत अच्छे हैं. And let me give it a try without dipping in a chutney. So I did that first. Look how soft the chicken is. Wow, trust me, this will take you back. Like tikka breast, so good. Not everyone can pull it off. Masala just नहीं होता, अच्छी तरह से marinate हुआ हुआ है काफ़ी देर से. It's amazing. So let's see. Look at the size of this thing. It's legit, like it's cut from the middle, but the size is pretty good. So you can see like there's a Sikh kebab, Gola kebab roll, and it's very good that the bigger size that they have made the cut in the middle, so you don't have to do all of that work. Ooh, look at this strip. Look at this. The paratha, you can see how the onion, chutney, and you can see the big chunk of kebab. So I'm gonna give this a try. This is the Sikh kebab one. Wow, no chutney required. The Sikh kebab is so moist and so soft. Oh my god. There's again some onions, same green chutney, and the kebab is doing the talking. It's legit, all the flavors are in kebab. The masala is so good, and it's covered with the paratha. Oh my god. Coming from Karachi, we have like tons of paratha roll places back home. This is legit right on par with them. It's so good, I can't even explain. You guys need to try this. You see this, some chili, some onions, some hari mirch, and it's so moist, it's melting in my mouth. I can't even tell you about it. So the next one which we are trying here is the Gola kebab. Look at this, and it's amazing. let's try to dig into it. Look at this. Let me just take the wrap off so I can show you guys. And these guys are famous for their Gola kebab. So a lot of people have previously in their reviews and stuff have talked about their Gola kebab. So look at this and let's give it a go. 100%. People are right, the reviews are right. Gola kebab is out of the box. This is like the traditional dhaga kebab we get, just in place. Like, this is not in dhaga, and it's so moist. Again, the flavor and the dhaga kebab ke jo masala laga hua hai is wow. I can't tell you, like, and it's not spicy. Like, you can feel the burst, but it's not spicy as that, like जो होता है गोला कबाब. But जिस तरह से marinate हुआ है, जिस तरह से cook हुआ है, oh my god. Same onion, same hari chutney, amazing. You can't just stop eating. And definitely, if you take the gola kebab separately, that's also good. But I always like in the roll. That's my preference. But all the barbecue, the taste is legit. You can feel the real, you can smell the real charcoal. Sahi uspe bana hua hai, masale sahi bane hue, and the gola kebab is to look forward for it. But guys, please do give them a try. It's amazing food. It's like core back to Pakistan, how we do barbecue there. So it's amazing and it's really, really tasty. And I'm not just like guiding you the places which I don't like. Some of them we try, and if I don't like the food, I don't even shoot the video. So legit, very good recommendation. Like, you guys should try if you want to transport back to Pakistan. It's really, really good flavors, like the paratha, the chutneys, pyaz, combination of pyaz, like how the meat is marinated, how the meat is cooked, everything is so on point. So guys, please do like the video, subscribe, comment and share. Also tell in the comments like what kind of food you want to see next. Like, I'm telling you, like in the pipeline there's Caribbean food, halal Caribbean food. Scarborough is big, Mississauga is big. All of these places have tons of places which we need to explore. So thank you guys for watching the video. Until next video, Khuda Hafiz.